Did you find any difficulty in joining the meeting? Hello?
No, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
So today we will do in narration one topic was left, exclamatory sentences.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So we had
Good
done
morning, ma'am.
statements. We had done questions, interrogatives. Then we did command and order. This one was left, exclamatory sentences. So what is an exclamatory sentence? Who can tell me?
Ma'am, sudden expression of ma'am, sudden expression sentences which ma'am show sudden expressions are exclamatory sentences. For example, what a beautiful house,
Okay.
and wow, what a delicious dinner.
Okay. So exclamatory sentence they express strong emotions. Express strong emotions. So the emotions can be any kind of emotions, either of happiness, hooray, I have won the match, either of sorrow, alas, I lost my purse, either of anger, huh? How mischievous you are, uh, either of regret, oh, I should have worked hard for my exam. In Hindi, you must have studied Vismayadi Bodhak. Have you studied?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So that is exclamatory in English. You express strong emotions, any kind of strong emotions, hatred, anger, joy, happiness, surprise, lot of surprise. Wow, what a beautiful rainbow. Hmm? Um, so exclamatory sentence express strong emotions. Okay, and after exclamatory sentence you put an exclamation mark. This is the integral part of the exclamatory sentence. Just as after a question you put a question mark, after a sentence you put a full stop, after an exclamatory sentence you have to put an exclamation mark. Okay, so they express strong emotions. So in exclamatory sentence, how do you change to indirect speech? In exclamatory sentence, so in the statements, you use the word said or told.
Yes, ma'am.
Just a minute, let me post a message in the class group to join the class. uh, why so few participants are there? Most of you think that you have become an expert in English. That is the reason. Hmm? So in exclamatory sentence, like just as in statements, you use, what do you use in statements?
Ma'am, said,
Full.
told,
Said or told.
In statements, you use said or told. What do you use in questions?
asked,
Asked,
inquired,
inquired.
Ma'am asked.
demanded.
Asked or inquired. Okay. So in a command, you use the word commanded or ordered. In request, you
Yes,
use
ma'am.
the word requested. So the verb keeps on changing according to the meaning of the sentence. So in exclamatory sentences, use the word exclaimed. Exclaimed along with the emotion, feeling it expresses. Suppose it expresses happiness, so exclaimed with joy. Suppose it expresses sadness, exclaimed with sorrow, exclaimed with grief. Suppose it expresses hatred, exclaimed with hatred. Mm. So you have to use the word, exclaimed. So you have to remember that in exclamatory sentence, which verb you are using. You are using the verb exclaim along with the feeling that it expresses. So this is one thing you have to remember, that you have to use the verb exclaim. Then second thing that you have to remember is remove words like what, uh, how, and use very. Okay, when we deal with the examples, that will be clear, huh? You know, rules are very abstract. Mm. Only with practical examples you can understand it properly. So when we will deal with examples, we will know how we will remove this water and use very, and change to the past tense. So in exclamatory also you,
Ma'am, please stop.
kya Vishakha?
टीचर मैम उधर दिखाइए ना एक बार.
uh, मैंने बोला कि in exclamatory sentence you use the word verb exclaim. This you have to remember along with the feeling that it expresses. If it expresses happiness, exclaimed with joy. If it expresses regret, pachtawa, to exclaimed with regret. If it expresses surprise, exclaimed with surprise. Then in exclamatory sentences, these words are used: what, how. You have to remove these words when you are changing in the indirect speech. And then you have to use the word very. What a lovely rainbow. So what it expresses, that it is a very lovely rainbow. When you are changing in indirect speech, you will remove the water. Water को हटा के उसके जगह हम यूज करेंगे very. So change to the past tense. Now we will take one example. Teacher said, what a mischievous boy you are. Okay, this is our exclamatory sentence. How will you change this? What?
The teacher exclaimed with
The
anger
teacher explain,
that the boy was very mischievous.
Okay. So the teacher
Ma'am, the teacher exclaimed, "You are very mischievous boy."
The teacher exclaimed with anger. The teacher exclaimed. So this is expressing anger. With anger, that you'll use. That the boy was, R will change to was, very mischievous. Do you follow the pattern? एज इन द रूल यू हैड रिटन कि क्या वाटर को हटा देना है, तो ये वाटर जो है वो हम रिमूव कर देंगे, ठीक है।
Ma'am,
इंस्टेड ऑफ, हाँ बोलो विशाखा।
ma'am,
हाँ
मैम यहाँ पे मैम एक्सक्लेम्ड विद एंगर है, तो मैम एक्सक्लेम्ड एंग्रीली हो सकता है?
हाँ हो सकता है, हो सकता है। इट मीन्स द सेम, एक्सक्लेम्ड विथ एंगर और एक्सक्लेम्ड एंग्रीली, इट मीन्स द सेम।
ओके मैम।
Okay. In what is the definition of indirect speech? To express what someone has said in your own words. So flexibility is there. Only the meaning should come out. Answered yes answer होता है तो answered in positive, answered in affirmative, दोनों होता है, तो flexibility is there little bit. Okay. Okay, so then we take our next example. Okay, he said, "Hooray, I won a medal." Exclamatory you can put just after this word or at the end. Okay, sometimes you put it just after the word or at the end. Who will change this?
May I?
Abhinav Anand. Abhinav,
मैम क्लास डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया तो मैम क्वेश्चन नहीं सुन पाए, फिर से बोलिए।
ये क्वेश्चन है, ये सेकंड
मैम
वाला जो
स्क्रीन
है
पे नहीं
इसको
दिख रहा है
नहीं
मैम,
दिख,
स्क्रीन ही नहीं मैम। मैम आपका स्क्रीन शेयर में बस दिख रहा है इसमें मैम।
वो स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रहा है। ओके, पल्लवी प्रिया, पल्लवी प्रिया। ओके
Ma'am,
हर्ष
may I?
ओके आशीष।
Ma'am, may I?
मैम मैम
Ma'am,
मैम
he explained with pride that he had won a medal.
He exclaimed with joy that, so this is past tense, so what do you change past into?
Past perfect.
Past perfect.
Past changes to past perfect.
He had.
So one will become had won a medal. Okay. She said, "How lovely the rainbow looks." Oh, after exclamatory, you will put the question mark. Yeah, close the inverted commas. Okay. Uh, she said, "How lovely the rainbow looks." Who will? Akansha? Akansha Kumari? Akansha? What happened, Akansha? Earlier you used to answer a lot of questions. What happened now? Akansha?
Ma'am, may I?
Ashish, you have answered. Anurag, you want to try?
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, Janvi.
Yes, ma'am. She exclaimed with joy that the rainbow looked very lovely.
Exclaimed with joy or exclaimed with surprise also you can write. Okay, joy also is very happy.
मैम
हाँ,
मैम ये लिख सकते हैं कि she exclaimed appreciatively.
appreciatively. Appreciatively, yes, ठीक है, लिख सकते हो with joy that the rainbow looked looked mute yourselves, all of you whose mic is unmute. Sound is okay. Looked very instead of how.
Very lovely.
So how you are removing? ये remove कर देना है, and instead of that you are using very lovely. Okay. Mm. He said, "Alas, my pet dog has died." He said, "Alas, my pet dog has died." Okay, he said, "Alas, my pet dog has died." We'll do this.
Ma'am, may I?
Ashish, you have already answered.
Ma'am, can I try Shaka?
विशाखा, अच्छा जानवी ने आंसर किया था. ओके विशाखा, यस विशाखा.
He exclaimed with sorrow that his pet had died.
Yes, he exclaimed with sorrow. His
Ma'am, ऐसे हो सकता है he exclaimed sadly.
हाँ हो
Sadly.
सकता है, हाँ हो सकता है. He exclaimed sadly, he exclaimed sorrowfully, he
मैम यहाँ पे with sorrow की जगह sorrowfully भी हो सकता है ना, या miserably?
हो सकता है, हाँ हो सकता है. He exclaimed with sorrow or he exclaimed sorrowfully. He exclaimed with joy or he exclaimed happily or he exclaimed joyfully. Both means the same, you can use both. So exclaimed with sorrow that his pet dog will change to had
Had.
died.
Had, ma'am, past tense.
Yes, past present perfect changes to past perfect. Have to remember all the tense rules. So present perfect changes to past perfect. So exclamatory is clear. Then a few other
Yes, ma'am.
sentences like if
Ma'am.
how will you change this? So don't go near the fire. How will you change this? What verb will you use for here? You have to use the verb according to the meaning that the sentence conveys.
Commanded.
Uh, more than command, it is a warning, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can here you can use the word
Yes, ma'am.
Mother warned the
Mother
child.
wants her child not to go near the fire.
mother warned, or you can use one more verb, forbade. Have you heard the word forbade? Forbid मतलब
Yes,
क्या?
ma'am.
किसी
Yes,
को
ma'am.
कहीं कुछ कोई चीज करने से मना करना.
मना करना.
हाँ, तो forbid है forbid past tense. The past tense of forbid is forbade. So this word also you can use here. Mother forbade her child not to go. So don't will become not to go near the fire. Okay. So you can change this in this way. Mother said to her child, don't go near the fire. Here we can use the verb warned or forbade. Mother forbade her child not to go near the fire. Uh, Mother said to her son, may you get success in your life. So what verb you will use here?
Ma'am,
Wished.
wished.
Yes, wished or blessed. Uh, mother wished.
मैम encourage हो सकता है.
ये encourage नहीं है, ये एक blessing है या wish है. अगर sentence, if the sentence is you can do better, the teacher said you can do better in your next exam. So teacher encouraged the child that he could do better. So here it is encouraged. This expresses more of a wish or blessing. So mother wished, blessed
Her son.
that her son might get success in his life.
Hmm.
Okay, maybe we'll change to might.
मैम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं कि मदर विश्ड हर सन सक्सेस इन हिज लाइफ.
हाँ हाँ लिख सकते हैं. Mother wished that her son might get success in his life. If it conveys the meaning appropriately, then you can, there is no hard and fast rule, only that it should express the meaning and follow all the rules properly. That is, that her son might get success in his life. Okay, so then he said, let's go for a walk. He said to his friend, let's go for a walk. So how will you change this? Which verb will you use for this? He said to his friend, let's go for a walk.
मैम सजेस्टेड या फिर इनकरेज.
Suggested या proposed.
मैम asked हो सकता है
यस
क्या?
मैम.
हाँ, asked नहीं, ये यहाँ asked नहीं, asked question में use होता है. Suggested, you can also use the verb proposed. To his friend, you can write it in this way, that they should go for a walk, or simply propose to his friend to go for a walk. Should go भी लिख सकते हो लेट्स में, should go क्योंकि ये सजेशन है तो for a walk. Okay, or you can, he proposed his friend to go. नहीं ऐसे ही ये, this will be changed in this way only with should. Okay, so now we have dealt with all the four kinds of sentences. Rules are clear in your mind. Write all the notes in your copy. Okay, because the same topics will continue in class 10 also. In class 10 you don't have any new grammar. The same topics that you have learnt in class 9, it will continue in class 10. Maybe one or two additional things is added, like clause and all, infinitives, but basically you will have the same topics: tense, subject verb agreement, models, voice, prepositions, connectors, direct, indirect. So So you'll have the same topic. So it is better you write the notes properly. Uh, okay, propose to his friend that they should go for a walk. And in your examinations, if you will get questions, you will not get it in the form of isolated sentences. Separate sentence you will not get. You will get it in the
We
form
will
of,
get paragraph.
you will get the conversation or the dialogue. Instead of writing रोहित said so and so, रोहित ने जो कहा वो डायरेक्ट दिया हुआ होगा, फिर राहुल ने जो कहा वो डायरेक्ट दिया हुआ होगा, and then you have to apply the rules in that way. So it is the same thing. You just have to apply the rules in conversation. Okay, so first we will let us revise. He said we will go to Delhi in our summer holidays. So how will you change this? Hello.
Ma'am, he said that they would go to Delhi in their summer holidays.
Yes. He said, so when he said it, he's talking about his whole family. If he says we, then it means the whole family. So we will change to they. He said that they will change to would. Okay, go to Delhi in their summer holidays. Okay. Okay, now we will solve one dialogue. Uh, okay, so this is a dialogue between mother and son. So mother says, will you clean your room today? Son replies, I have lot of homework. I will do it later on. I will do it later on. So how will you change this? Who will answer? Prasoon Raj. Prasoon Raj Roy. Hello. Prasoon. Harshita Raj. Harshita. Pallavi Priya. Pallavi Priya. Prasoon Raj. Okay, Anurag. Anurag Roy. Anurag, I can see your name. You want to try? Anurag?
Ma'am, I want to try.
Okay.
Mother asked her son if he would clean his room that day.
Yes. Mother asked. Okay, someone else had also raised the hand. Janvi. Okay, Janvi, next you. Mother asked her son. So this is a yes no question. You have to remember, this is a question mark is there, so it is a question, and it is a yes no question. And what do you use in yes no question? Whether or
If or whether.
yes. So mother asked her son if he would, will change to would, clean, your will change to his room, and today will change to that day. Okay.
That day.
So mother asked her son if he would clean his room that day. Today will change to that day. Okay, Janvi, you want to answer? The son replied.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Janvi.
Yes, ma'am. Son replied that he had a lot of son replied that he had a lot of homework. He will
Yes, that he had lot of homework. Yes, Janvi, continue. You can add the word and in between. Two sentences are there. Okay, Janvi connection is
Ma'am,
also.
may I continue?
मैम यहाँ पे he had a lot of homeworks कि बाद में so he will do it later हो सकता है, he will do it later.
हाँ, सो भी हो सकता है, सो भी हो सकता है, एंड भी हो सकता है. So he would
Do that later on.
do. This changes to that. It will remain it only
Yes, ma'am.
later on. So you see, it's very easy. If you get dialogue also, nothing to worry. You have to apply the same rules. Only instead of mother said, it is given. Mother, what actually said is given. You have to apply the same rules. Nothing difficult. Okay. So this is a dialogue between two friends. They are talking about the preparation for the examination. How is your preparation for the exam? Oh, then Rohit says, dialogue between two friends, Rahul and Rohit. So Rohit says, I have some difficulties in maths. In maths, and then he tells him, can you help me? नहीं, इसमें तो इन्वर्टेड कॉमा. तो राहुल says, certainly I will. Okay, so how will you change this?
May I?
Okay, Ashish.
Rahul asked Rohit how his preparation for the exam was.
So Rahul asked Rohit how his preparation for the exam was. Was will come at the end. Uh, we had already discussed. Word order is changed in yes, WH question. How his preparation for the exam was. Okay, who will do the next? Rohit replied.
May I?
ma'am, can I?
Okay, Janvi. Only few students answer. What about the
Yes,
rest
ma'am.
of the class?
Can I?
Rohit replied that he had some difficulties in maths. Whether he could help him.
So, and asked, you have to add in between, and asked whether he could help him.
And yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Whether
Janki, your
he could help.
answer is correct. So Rohit, Rahul asked Rohit how his preparation for the exam was. Then Rohit replied that he had some difficulty in maths and asked if he could help him. Rohit replied that he have will change to had, then some difficulties in maths, then you will add the word and asked, because it is a question, if he could help him, if he could. And in the end, certainly I would, will you change this?
Rahul replied in affirmation.
Okay. Rahul replied in affirmation. Rahul replied in affirmation, or Rahul agreed to help him. This also you can write.